Hey love bugs, welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm AshleyBedeck. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I've teamed up with the Megalook here, and they sent me something a little bit different. You guys know I love to do hair tutorials on this channel, but the one type of wig I think I've never reviewed, and you can correct me if I'm wrong, I don't think I've ever done a half wig on this channel. I mean, I've done the V parts and the U parts, but I don't think I've ever done a half wig. So Megalook challenged me to put one on today, and y'all, I am in love. You guys know I have thin, fine hair, so it's hard to find things that will blend with my hair, look really good with my hair, and this big forehead, and I think this here is my match. This one here is a 26-inch kinky straight half wig. I was about to say lace wig, and look how she turned out. This is a vibe. You can make it your own. You can silk press the hair as well as your hair, or you can leave it nice and fluffy like this. Literally, I was able to install this one in like a minute, not even 10 seconds. Today, you'll see me do about 3 different looks with this half wig, and you can decide which one is your favorite. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. So if you wanna see how we got this look, let's get started.
You're special and she reckless. Baby, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how you doing alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, oh yeah, oh yeah. Like how you do it alright. Everything good, alright, alright. Like how you think alright. Always on top, alright, oh yeah. I wanna know it tonight. I wanna be the one to surprise you. Wake you up in the morning. I wanna be the one that you calling. Cause I see you in the future with me. I wanna meet. Don't slip on the trip. Don't slip on the trip. Tempo, tempo, can you keep up with my tempo? Tempo, yeah, yeah, blowing up, C4. I just hit the Mike Jackson on my tiptoes. Oh yeah, I know we go wherever that wind blows. The endo. Don't slip on the trail. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the. Don't slip on the trail. High key, I know. I send all of my rap foes like they my tadpoles. Yeah, yeah. Blowing up, C4. I just had to go crack now on my Depot. Yeah, yeah, that Draco bustin' like free throws. I do not miss no shots. I got the cheat code. Okay, ladies, I went ahead and did the install, and now we are done. Now, the thing about it is my hair is, as we in the black community sometimes will say, untrained. So it will do one heat pass for a quick minute, but then it'll have the tendency to fluff up. So for this one, I did option 1, which was just kind of like putting it on, no parting, kind of messy flip over. Now, the thing about my hair, you can't just keep flipping it left and right like I do with my other wigs, but I love this option. I did pull a little bit of hair kind of forward to give more of the like just natural vibe and illusion, and I love this look. Let me know what you guys think. Now let's try maybe one or two more looks to see what we can come up with this half wig, because I don't think I've ever done a half wig on this channel. First, I'm going to take a little bit of wax in my hand just because my hair is freshly washed and blow out, and as you guys can see, with time my hair easily will puff back up. It's almost like it needs a little bit of oil to kind of tame it, because I don't want to keep adding heat. Nonetheless, let's go ahead and put it into a pony, or let's see if we can pull it off. I actually love this. This is probably gonna be my favorite look. You gotta mess up the hairline a little bit when you got a big forehead like I do. But it's giving like a, I don't know, a Free Spirit Erykah Badu vibe. It's definitely giving lift the camera for a little bit of height. Now this here is gonna be probably, not even probably, undoubtedly
my favorite look. And you see how simple it was. I took a nice little small elastic, aka a rubber band, put it in. The hair is thick enough that I did a half up, half down, and look at how full the hair still is. And ironically, it's not too much. It's not too heavy, not too overbearing. And it also has no excess like tangling or shedding or anything crazy. It's a Yaki, it's a soft Yaki, and it's for sure a manageable Yaki. Let me see if I can show you from the back. So this one is definitely on the, I guess you can say, the eccentric girl kick. I love it. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, so now we did this little half bun where we kind of like started a ponytail and we didn't take the rest of the hair through. Now you simply just grab, and again, I'm very tender-headed, so if my eyes get watering, just don't even worry about it. But I'm just gonna take the rest of the hair through. And now you have a whole nother look. Look at that. And the great thing about this is you don't have to worry about touching up your leave out. You can leave it as is. Mine has a little bit of a hump in it, and I kind of like that because again, that kind of represents the volume. If you have thicker pieces, you can pull 2 pieces forward from your real hair, and that will look really cute. Let me show you guys what it looks like from the back. Super cute, definitely a go-to. I love this wig. I'm surely here for it. Okay, watching my girl Lily, yours truly. I am about to go and run some errands, and I decided I wanted to do a headband look. So let's just see if I can pull it off. Now, I'm gonna say this like a broken record. If you see me wear my natural hair out, I'm gonna mention how tender-headed I am. So even just touching my hair right now, I'm so dramatic. Ooh, ooh. I know I'm dramatic, but my daughter Dakota is tender-headed. And I will never admit it to her, but she gets it from me because I'm the same way. Now when I wear a half wig, when I am brushing it out, I do like hold it, because just in case you do accidentally get a snag, you don't want to shift the wig. You don't want to shake the table too much. But I do want to just see, out of curiosity, see what it will look like with a headband. So I'm going to try this one. Okay, so first of all, if you don't want to put it around, let's see if you can just put it on like a crown. This will be cute, but I feel like it'll be more likely to like get unsituated. What do you think? I think we should take it under and pull it around. Super simple and easy. So if you are a half wig girl and you have been rocking your half wig and like you don't necessarily want to add any heat, you could kind of cover your hair with scarves, hats, and headbands like so. And this looks absolutely darling. Okay, that's all I wanted to say. Oh, let me show you guys the goodies. So this one here is from Megalook. I love Megalook. You guys know I work with this company all the time. Really good, nice quality, reasonably priced half wig. Definitely a staple. You can scan that QR code, and this is how you get the VIP service via WhatsApp. Inside, you guys can see this was the packaging, and it's 26 inches in length. I really like this on. I really like this. Big forehead and all. And then inside, you also get a couple of goodies. More QR codes. So for starters, this is the dust bag, and it just says Megalook, be yourself, be mega, always. And then inside, we got a little mesh bag. And then here we did get a pack of HD wig caps. We got a pair of lashes. We got an edge brush. We also got a Megalook melt belt, and it's a really pretty like neon or like highlighter pink. I like that a lot. And of course it says Megalook on it. And then last but most certainly not least, we got this really cute pearl pin, which goes really good. You can like, I don't know, I like these like off-centered and kind of like to the side. You can throw that in there for a cool girl aesthetic. And that is pretty much it, love bugs. Of course, I have a link, all the details on this wig in the description box. I'm sure you're gonna want to check this one out, so don't forget to check the description box. Also, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you like what you see on this channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.